know what's not going to be good?
The fact that it's at a repossession auction and it doesn't run with damage is weird enough. But it gets stranger.
Yeah, alright. Go on. Keep going.
Right, has Wayne got a holy gearbox? Let's find out. Looking underneath the car, there wasn't anything obvious I could see.
Well, there's no oil here. So that to me says there's no oil in the gearbox. So that might
Is
be
that
what
why there's a
they're
hole
on
in the
about.
gearbox? Because if that's been ripped out and the gearbox is overheated, then there could well be a hole in the gearbox. So no obvious signs of any holes in the gearbox, just damage to the transmission cooler, which in turn could have damaged the gearbox if it was run without the cooler. Right, first things first, let's get the oil out, see if Wayne has got any. With us not being able to find anything obvious there, I was going to start removing the under tray to see if there was any damage to the engine underneath it. And then we can see if any oil was actually inside the engine, because there is a chance that the car got ran without oil because there's damage to the oil cooler at the front. And if that's the case, if the engine run dry, it could need a complete rebuild.
You know what's not going to be good? If no oil comes out.
Yeah, or chunks. Here we go, sports fans. Please have oil. Oh, Jesus! That's looking damp. Yes! Oh, it's filthy. Now, I don't know whether to be worried or not.
Because if it doesn't start and it's got oil in it, why wouldn't it start?
The only thing, if it's got that crash data, it's got some kind of crash data thing on.
And do you think with this year car we can clear it, or has it got to be like a Lamborghini where it has to go back to Lamborghini?
There's only one way to find out. On the newer Mercedes, when the car thinks it's been in an accident, the ECU stores crash data, which stops you from restarting the car. And the only way to clear this crash data is to scan it with a diagnostic tool and then tell it it's now okay to start the car again. I think this is the reason why this car isn't starting.